say welcome?
Croeso!
Hello, Colin. Ni a dwi. Tynnu mewn, deri mewn. Take a seat, my dear. Reit te. Ag eistedwch. Croeso. Mae'n lyflu gweld ti. Sut dyn ni'n mynd i ddeud, how are we going to say, good morning, how are you? Sut wyt ti? We've practiced a little song, especially for you. No pressure, guys. Felly, ar eich traed, it's our class choir.
Oh, that's it.
Oh, you don't have to, but you know, they're just giving you a little welcome, Colin. Iawn, so chi'n barod? 1, 2, 3. Feel free to join in if you want, Colin. 1, 2, 3. Bore da, sut wyt ti? Da iawn diolch, sut wyt ti? Excellent. Diolch yn fawr I chi. Da iawn, pawb. Ie, na ti, iawn. So, dych chi eisiau cyflwyno eich hun? Do you want to introduce yourselves? Do you remember how to say I'm? Tell him you slept in a tent, that you're sleeping in a tent. Tell him where you come from. Tell him what your name is. Anything you want, iawn? Unrhyw beth dych chi eisiau. So. Okay, right te. Pwy sy'n eisiau dechrau? Anybody want to start? Iawn, Helen.
Hello, shwmai.
Yeah.
What's wrong with that? I thought that was like PhD. Well, Helen dwi.
Perffaith. Lovely.
And welcome.
Croeso. Hyfryd. Diolch, Helen.
Helo, shwmai, Melanie dwi. Dwi'n dod o'r Abertawe a dwi'n aros mewn bell yma.
Mae'n aros.
Dwi'n byw yn Abertawe hefyd.
A dwi'n gwybod. Jack a dwi.
The hustlers arrive. Ie, mae tri yn dod o na, Newport. Mae Ioan, y tiwtor arall, the other tutor, yn dod o Abertawe hefyd. Rhywun arall?
Lembe dwi. Dwi'n dod o Drenewydd.
Drenewydd, Newton.
Okay.
Newton.
Drenewydd, Newton. Gret, diolch.
Shwmai, Josie dwi. Dwi'n dod o Casnewydd. Dwi'n aros mewn pewoch yma Herydd. Croeso.
Reit iawn, hyfryd.
Helo, shwmai, Sophie dwi. Dwi'n dod o Tonopandi. Dwi'n aros mewn pabell yma hefyd. Like everyone else. Croeso.
Hyfryd,
Risa dwi. Dwi'n dod o Newport. Casnewydd. Dwi'n aros Popty Pin. Is it something?
Staying in a microwave. It's their favourite word. Popty. Ping.
Popty Pin.
An oven that goes ping. Da iawn. Gret.
O ie, Matt ydw I. Fi'n dod o Nghaerffili. Croeso.
Hyfryd. Lovely. Diolch yn fawr iawn I chi.